Hello, welcome back to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do keyword research for your blog website or WordPress website, whatever website you're using. If you're using Google Sites or Medium, this is an in-depth keyword research tutorial that you need to watch. So stick around to the end. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do keyword research in any niche for free without using any paid keyword tool. So one thing we need to keep in mind is that keyword research is important, and it determines if you're gonna get traffic or not. So I'm gonna be showing you how to find these low competition keywords for your website. So let's get started. So the first website we're going to be using is this website, keywords shiter.com, that website. And we are going to be using this website to generate keyword ideas for our niche. So let's say, for example, we are in the basketball niche and we have a basketball product on ClickBank that we want to promote, or any other basketball course that we want to promote. So we would head over to this website, and what we would do is we would enter these sort of phrases or keyword ideas that we know people are really typing into Google. So all these keywords that here, this tool here will generate 9 times out of 10 will be long tail keywords, and most of these will be low competition with few search results that are targeting these exact keywords. So how do we find out that these keywords are low competition? Simple. What we're going to do is we'll enter these phrases here, then we hit start job and it will generate these keywords. What we'll do is copy a couple of them, then we head over to ahrefs.com, then scroll all the way down. So we will scroll all the way down and you will see, let me go back at the top and click on this so that I show you how you do this. So you go to ahrefs.com, scroll all the way down. They have a free keyword difficulty checker. So click on that and it will take you to this box here. Enter your keyword here and click check keyword difficulty. So what this will do, it will give you a score of keyword difficulty and show you a simple snippet of sites that are currently ranking for this very keyword. So what we are looking for in this tool is we are looking for keywords that are low in competition. So for this example here, they of course want to sell us their free trial, but what we're going to do, if you encounter this, what we'll do is we head over to Google, highlight this very keyword like this, right click on your mouse, so you'll highlight the entire keyword like so, right click and hit search Google, or go to Google for that very keyword. So let's say, oh wait, I lost the keyword. Okay, hit search Google, then it will open up in Google. So we can see that there's only 9 results that are specifically targeting this keyword. This is great news because that means the competition is low and most of these keywords are on Pinterest pins. So that's going to give us a huge chance of ranking there on Google because we already know that there are few websites that are targeting this keyword, if not none. So if you wrote an article about this very keyword, optimizing for this very search phrase, and you're specifically talking about this search phrase, you will have a high chance of ranking on Google for that very search phrase because you are the most relevant site, and Google gives preference to WordPress or any other blogging platform you're using if you are relevant on offering the most relevant search phrase of information. So that is an example. So if we head over to our tool, get more keywords, then we paste them in here into the keyword difficulty checker, then we shall see the keyword. I'm going to show you an example of a keyword to stay away from. So once again, if you run into this, do the same thing, right click, go to Google and search for it in quotes so that you see the number of results that are targeting this very keyword. So you can see if we go to this one, it is only 1,640, so which is good, and most of the top ranking results are going to be Pinterest pins. And if we remove the quotes and we search for that very keyword again, we're going to see that YouTube videos are ranking here, which is very rare. It's rare for Google to rank YouTube videos like so. If it ranks them like so, it shows you that this keyword is a low competition keyword and you should definitely go for it. And most of these websites that are ranking here have short content. So you can see this website has written an article 4 days ago and it's already ranking here for this very search phrase. So if you're relevant and you target this keyword, you have a high chance. So don't mind about this number of results. It doesn't matter, because some Google pulls in some relevant or similar phrases because it doesn't find websites that are specifically targeting this very keyword. The more relevant you are, the better it is. And another thing to look for in these search results is to do them in an incognito tab. Ensure you log out of Google if you can and use the Google from the US. If you can't use Google from the US, get a VPN. And if you can't get a VPN, that's fine too. Just Google USA and search from use Google USA to do these searches. You'll see what ranks on Google in the USA. So another thing to look for is to look for if popular forums are ranking in this very search results. If you see forums ranking here, then that's a good sign that this keyword is a low competition keyword and you should definitely go for it. If you see Quora, Reddit, go for that keyword. If you see YouTube videos, Pinterest, go for that keyword. If you see forums that are popular in this niche, go for that keyword. Then this is an example of a bad keyword to stay away from. So woodworking plans. If you want to target that keyword, you never rank for it because the top ranking sites here have over 1,000 links and it's gonna be hard, even though you have a huge a new website, sorry, or even a blogger website. It's gonna be hard to rank here because these websites here have a lot of backlinks and you can see their DR is almost in 70s, so that is something to keep in mind. We want results that have a DR here of 30 and below. The lower that DR is, the better we're gonna rank for the keyword because it is much easier. So let me show you an example of an easy keyword that you can even get with a brand new website. So if we go back to our tool, of course, that tool, and enter a bunch of phrases in this numeral region niche. This will work for any niche, of course. It doesn't have to be for these niches. It will work for any niche. If you have a website about running shoes, it will work. Bowling, it will work. If you have a website about dishwashers, it will work. A website about laundry washers, it will work. Just enter the keyword here, hit start job, and generate these keyword ideas and do what I've showed you at the start of this video. Then, so this is an example of a good keyword that we will go for in this niche. So right here you can see that the keyword difficulty is 8, and you can see the tool tells us here that you estimate that you need about approximately 9 websites linking back to you so for you to rank for this keyword. So what I'm gonna be doing is I've already showed you a number of ways you can get no follow backlinks from social media platforms, from YouTube in the previous video. I'll leave those videos in the description below so you can get no follow backlinks. So ensure that you're getting these links from websites like YouTube. If you can get a backlink on Medium, do that. If you can get a backlink from Quora, you can do that. Pinterest is a good one. You can share your articles on Reddit in specific niche subreddits. I've made videos about that. I'll leave them in the description below. So what we're looking for is the DR of 30 and below. 34 can be a slightly huge, but it still works for this category. So the second ranking website here has only 7 backlinks pointing to it. So that means that if this website is able to rank here with 7 backlinks, we who have 0 backlinks, it means that if we wrote content that is better than any of these websites here, we can take a spot in the top 10 results, and that's what we are looking for. So once again, we look for keywords that are 10 and below because they're easy to rank for. We need some few no follow backlinks. You can get these from Pinterest, you can get this from Quora, Reddit, YouTube, and other social media platforms. If you have a Facebook group, you can promote your article that way, and the more you promote it, the better your chances of Google discovering this content that is good article and it's getting shared on the social platforms, so it will even rank higher on the search engines. So that's gonna do it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys